Now we are going to embroider the text "Cherish." First, use a chain stitch to embroider the turning part. Next is the regular chain stitches. If necessary, you can refer to the chain stitch video in the basic stitches section. Continue to use chain stitches to embroider all the text. This point is embroidered with French knot. Continue to embroider the remaining text using chain stitches. Now we are going to embroider the black part of the eyes. Since the black thread isn't noticeable against the dark blue fabric, you can skip this step entirely. The black part of the eyes are embroidered using regular satin stitches. If necessary, you can refer to the satin stitch video in the basic stitches section. Embroider the other eye in the same way.